Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing, I can't even say Jamaican Easter bun because I am changing it up. So I'm making a gluten-free, dairy-free bun, Easter bun. We do not celebrate Easter, but when it comes to the food, we normally make the traditionals just the same. So family, this has taken me a lot to put together to try to make it this way. So I hope that you can follow me along, and I pray that you can do it and achieve the result like I did. Okay, so first let me go ahead. I am going to substitute the, what is this one again, sweetie? What was this one? Baking soda. To substitute baking soda, I'm using yeast. So here I have 1 teaspoon of yeast, and I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of honey, because when you're doing the yeast, you want something sweet to make it rise. So I am doing the yeast, I'm doing the honey. You could also use maple syrup if you would like. Okay, and then I'm going to be doing 1/4 cup of warm water with that. Just not too much there. Okay, 1/4 cup of water. And now family, I'm just going to mix this up. I didn't even have to mix it, but I want to combine the sweet with the honey with the water. So I'm going to leave this aside now so that it can go ahead and do its magic, come together. So I have the fire here on, family, and I have 1 cup of fruit wine. 2 cups? I have some fruit wine here. 2 cups fruit wine. 2 cups. That's what it is. But I will put the recipe in the description box, okay?
All right.
All right. So what I have here is 2 cups of fruit wine. I have some almond. Family, let's go ahead and put the butter, because I need so this is about 2 teaspoons of butter. And I have a butter recipe there, family. You can go ahead and check it out to see how to make your own butter. Because even though we're trying to stay away from these things, if you can, at some point we find that we want to use it. So if you can make your own, that is a good thing. And then family, I'm going to be doing 2 teaspoons of molasses, because you want to get the color. So I see how I try to put the butter first, so that way the molasses can slide out of the spoon. And then family, I have here some lemon extract. So I am seasoning up the fruit wine, because this is where about 1 will do, the flavor is going to come from. And then I have some vanilla. Of course, you can't do without the vanilla. And I am using some honey. The one I made before, I used 1 cup of honey, and that was too sweet. So I am going with less than half, and still I am leaving some in here to glaze the top of the bun. So this is that there. So you want all of that now, family, to stay there and to come together. And this here is 1 cup of fruits, mixed peel. You're gonna put that in the pot. Family, my family normally look forward to my Easter bun, and ever since I start making it vegan, gluten-free, they are not so excited about it as before, as that they weren't in the beginning, but now they are coming to appreciate it. I cannot open this. Oh, there it is. And then this now, family, is some strawberry jam. This is my secret ingredient, the strawberry jam. I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 big tablespoons. The jam also, when you warm it and when you put the jam, it gives the bun that texture, that taste, that bunny feel, that bunny chewiness. That's what it does. So I'm just gonna leave this here now, just so everything can melt and come together. You don't want it to be too hot when you're ready to put the flour. You just want it enough to melt the honey and to dissolve the strawberry jam, and to just warm everything so that all the flavors can come together. So while that is being warmed up here now, the butter is melted. I'm gonna turn off the fire, family, and leave that there for a while. I think I have everything over here that I hadn't needed. I don't remember putting a little almond in there. I didn't. Okay. Okay, there you go. And so now, family, I'm going in now with the dry ingredients. This here I have all-purpose Bob's Mill gluten-free flour. So I'm going to be using 2.5 cups of this. This is, where is my 1 cup? Hold on, family, hold on. Okay. My 1 cup is missing. So this is 1, 2.5. So that's my 2.5 cups of gluten-free flour. The last time I did this, family, I was eating egg and I was using baking soda. So it was hard for me to think of how can I do it now to take away the egg and to take away the baking soda. And I finally came up with it, and I thank the Lord for that. So I have that, and I have some flax flour. This is some freshly ground flax flour that I just made. I have some here, some salt. I have some pink Himalayan salt, family. I have here some cinnamon powder, and the cinnamon powder is the coriander and the cardamom. I mix them together, 1 tablespoon each to make cinnamon. So this calls for 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Okay. This is, I love this in my bun. This is aniseed, and it's like, it's star anise. It comes like cloves, similar to cloves, but in a star consistency, in the shape of a star. And what I did, family, I grind it up. This gives it that nice bunny smell and very, very nice flavor. If you could even smell it now. Because it's gluten-free, I put the 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. The xanthan gum gives it that bready, when you cut it, it gives it that bready look, that bready feel, that bready taste. So 1 teaspoon, okay, xanthan gum. And that is it for now, family. So I have the flaxseed, I have all my flavors. So normally now you just go ahead and just blend everything up like this. So I haven't put the egg yet and the yeast, which I will add after. So you just keep doing this, family. And if you want, you can go ahead now and put this in a sieve and sieve it over to make sure that all of the spices are combined in it. And another thing, family, you can season up your flour for your bun ahead of time and put it in a closed container and put it away. So whenever you're ready, you can just grab it and it will be more seasoned and more flavorful. So everything is all combined here now. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my bun water in here with the, I'm just gonna pour it in. Just gonna pour it in. Pour it in, family. I'm holding back some of the water just in case. I don't want to put everything all at once. And then you just combine. See, you have your fruits and your flour. Okay. Okay. See how you get that look, family, because of the molasses that you put in there. It gives it that look, that bun color. Okay, so this is now the yeast that I had made. See how it's all frothed and it's all ready to go. So you just go ahead and just pour that in. And another thing that I have to put is the egg. This is the flax egg that I made, and I'm going to put, see how it's jelly. I'm putting the flax egg inside. So instead of using egg, I use the flax seed to make it. And now, family, you just go ahead and combine everything together like that. It smells really good, right, Daddy? You could smell the flavors. Family, let me tell you, there is something healthy for everything that is not good for us. We don't need to eat. You don't need to go to the stores and buy those buns that are out there that are not good for us. You put together something for yourself. I'm not sure if there's a gluten-free Easter bun on the market, but I know that I would want one to eat, so I decided to make one. And so, family, here it is. I do need the rest of this, so now I'm just gonna go on in and pour it. It's smelling so good because I had put the vanilla and all the spices to warm. You don't want it as if you're baking a fruit cake. You want it to be a little bit on the soft side. See, and when you work it in like that, family, half and half, when the dough think that's all there is to it, and you come back with the last portion of that liquid, it just intensify the flavor, intensify the smell of the dough. Okay, so here we go now, families. I have a bun pan here that I had buttered and floured. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in here. See how that goes, family? Nice, gluten-free, vegan, plant-based Easter bun. And here we are. Here we are, family. That's it. I'm just gonna put that in the oven. I'll be right back. Stay there. Okay. And For the magic of television, I have one here to show you. This is how it looks. The reason why, and I'll tell you this, family, so you do not do it. Whenever I do it, I make the mistake, it fell. The reason why it fell like this, I made a glaze with honey and some butter water, and it was cold. So just as I took it from the oven, I put it on it, and it just fell because the hot and cold was too much of a shock for the bun. Anyways, it's not always like this, so when I make it mistake, I have to tell you. So there it is, family. See how it cuts like a bun, like a, you know, it still have the flavor. Still have the flavor. So I just wanted to come on here and to show you that it is possible to eat healthy for the weekend. If you have to have it, family, go ahead, get all your things ready and have your gluten-free Jamaican Easter bun. And you know, family, it's very good. I'm not kidding you. The only thing I would say is, depending on your sweetness, cut back on the honey or add more. But whenever you taste the butter, whenever you make the butter, taste it, and then you will know the sweetness for you. So thank you, family, for coming here. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Who do you know, family, that would love to eat a gluten-free vegan Easter bun? Please share this video with them so that they too can enjoy the magic of healthy eating. Thanks for now. Bye. God bless. Bye.